Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this troubleshooting guide for the HP 15S-FQ laptop. In this video, we will help you diagnose whether the issue with your device is due to the screen or the motherboard, especially focusing on the backlight problem. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit environment to avoid losing any small screws or components. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle as you detach it to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure safety while working on the internal components. Now, check the display cable connection to the motherboard. This is often a common point of failure. If the cable is loose or damaged, it could cause backlight issues. If you don't feel comfortable reconnecting it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, inspect the screen itself. Look for any visible cracks or signs of damage. If you notice anything unusual, the screen might need replacement. If you're unsure, you could consider our service for a quote before repair. While you're inside the laptop, take the time to clean any dust or debris from the internal components, especially around the fan. Use compressed air to blow out any dust. This can help improve the laptop's overall performance. After checking the connections and cleaning the internal parts, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is snug but don't over-tighten to avoid any damage. Reconnect the battery and power on the laptop. If you still experience backlight issues, it may indicate a deeper problem with the motherboard. If you don't have the tools or expertise to proceed further, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls. Our technicians can handle it for you. In summary, diagnosing backlight problems on your HP 15S-FQ involves checking the connections, inspecting the screen, and ensuring everything is clean and properly secured. If you find that the issue persists, reach out for our services, or we provide a quote before repair to ensure you are informed every step of the way. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.